So hello everyone, today I'm going to tell something very important, that is how to release a song on the other store or other store like a platform like Spotify, Instagram, JioSawan, Airtel, or there are so many like Amazon Music. How to distribute? By watching this video you will come to know, so you should not skip the video, watch till the end. So in this place you should fill up the 4 options, should be ticked like in green mark. After that you can proceed ahead, then your song will be live on the store. So first, album detail. Here you need to fill up the details of your song like the title and other so on. Here then you need to upload your mp3 file, which are supposed to be converted like mp3 441 kilohertz, then 320 kbs. Then here you need to upload the artwork. Then final step is you need to select the store. Wait for a few minutes. Here you need to select the store, which are the place you want to distribute like Spotify, YouTube Music, this year, Facebook, then Ghana Music or Line Music, CapCut. There are so many. If you want to distribute more on other store, you need to purchase or you need to buy the premium. Otherwise you can do it. So this is the last step. So finally it is done. Save and continue. Then now here is the final step. If you want to distribute free, click on distribute free option, then distribute free. Then now finally your song is in review. When your song is approved, after that, sure, your song will be live on the store.